Micron technology had explosive move to the upside, but in this video I want to show you why this can go on for much longer. Alright, let's jump into it. First, I'm going to take a look at forward P/E ratio. Micron technology, right now the forward P/E ratio of it is around 8 and the price is $751 per share. Now, let's take a look at the history of Micron technology and see what happened to the forward P/E ratio. And we can see that since 2009, we had instances that the P/E ratio went above 20. For example, 2011, it went above 20. Another one was 2015-2016 period. Next one was around 2020. And the last one we had was mid-2024. Now, right now it's sitting at 8 and the expected earning is growing a lot. So what I'm seeing here is that if we go from 8, that we are there right now at P/E of 8, we go to 20, we're basically going to 2 to 3x from here. And right now the stock price is sitting at $751, right? So you can imagine 2x from here, it's around 1,500, and like 3x from here, you go around $2,000 or more, right? So yes, it had very explosive move upside from $300 to all the way to 800, and recently we had a small pullback to 650 again, and now at 751. But if history repeats and if the forward P/E ratio go back above 20 again, then we are looking at much higher stock price. All right, that's number one. Number two, I'm going to show you EV/EBITDA. So this one against is 2 years average, and I want you to just take a look at when we have these explosive price actions. I can start from 2008 here. So we can see when this indicator goes below -1, right? Jumps below -1 and until it goes back above -1 again, that's where you have the most price action, like to the upside right here. That's number one. The second one happened in 2020. We can see start off here and went all the way from $5 to I think it was near $33, and again right here you see $17 up to all the way up here, and it again happened right here in 2020 and in end of mid 2023 basically, and went all the way up here right in 2024, and we are right there again at the same exact point where we are down -1. So that has started, and if history repeats, it means we are here for much higher prices. Okay, we can even go further back. There were instances in time that it did not work out the way I just showed you, for example. So let's take a look. We can take a look at here in 1993. That was a little bit like here. That's 1990, yeah. So let me just zoom in here. So June 1993, the price was $3.5, and we went to this red zone and back up, and we go from 3.5 to 5.3. Another one was here, 1995. It went below -1, stayed there for a long time, and price went from $16, and when it was done, it was $30. Another one is 1998 from 14.8. So this one was the one that did not work out that well, went to 25. Still, you would make money, right? The one that did not work out at all is this one, in October 2001, this happened. We went to $21. We went up, but this indicator did not work as it's supposed to, and we were down to $10 when the indicator went back above -1. So that was one instance that happened, and another one. No, here we can gain money. Okay, so that was good. Yeah, other than this one instance in the past, every single time it happened in Micron technology, when EV over EBITDA yield against its 2 years average went below -1, stayed there for a while, and went back above -1, that period of time, the price always grew. Right now, we just broke below -1, so we're just starting. If you look at this indicator, we're just starting. So we will see what will happen in the future. Personally, I believe that's going to continue. I hope you like the content. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.